business name registration or set registration certificate or CDA for cooperative, valid and current mayor's permit, statement of ongoing and similar completed government and private contracts, 50%, audited financial statement, stamped, received by DIR or is duly accredited and authorized institutions for the immediate preceding calendar year, which should not be earlier than 2 years from the date of bid submission. Following among others, the total assets and liabilities. Income tax return of the preceding year filed and paid through the DIR, the absence of GBO. Duly notarized statements from all the potential joint venture. Computation of net financial contracting capacity. Tax clearance per Executive Order number 398 series of 2005 as finally reviewed and approved by the DIR. For the technical bid securing declaration, bid security, technical specification, production, delivery schedule, warranty certificate, brochures of offered equipment, omnibus sign statement, and secretary certificate of good signatures. Any missing document in the above messages is ground for the outright rejection of the bid. For the financial envelope, yun, duly signed bid prices in the bid of quantities, breakdown, recurring and maintenance costs. Any question? Ito, reminder lang yun para marinig ba doon? Ay, also the tapping. Oh, yung certified proof copy. May mission talaga. Yes. Oh.
Certified po kami sa right, tapos magpa-signature ba yun sa left?
No. Kaya ito na yun. Ang signature mo doon, certified proof. That's the true copy. Yung sa labas, nag-initial ka sa page. Balik-balik na lang tayo niyan. Pero hindi pa rin mapalo. Yung pagination, yung tabbing. Hindi talaga mapalo yan. Remind lang kami.